The next episode may begin with silence rather than celebration. Yaman and Dogga have escaped the danger at sea, but survival will not immediately bring them closer. Dogga will notice that Yaman is hiding the pain of what happened, while Yaman will insist that saving her was only the right thing to do. His cold answer will hurt her more than she expects because she has finally started to understand that his anger has always covered a much deeper feeling. Their agreement to remain professional will become impossible the moment they return to the farm. Every look, every unfinished sentence, and every small act of protection will expose what neither of them is ready to confess. The biggest surprise may come when Mart tries to present himself as Dogga's rescuer. At first, Dogga may allow everyone to believe his story because she is confused and exhausted. But a small detail from the yacht, perhaps an object Yaman carried a mark on his hand, will reveal that he was the one who risked his life. Dogga will then confront Merritt in front of the family and his false hero image will collapse. This humiliation could push Merritt toward a more dangerous alliance with Nasreen, who is already looking for a way to gain control of property and the family share. Meanwhile, Yaman's decision to take charge of the restaurant and the teeny house business will not be a simple work agreement. It will be his way of staying close to Dogga without admitting that he cannot leave her unprotected. Dogga, however, will see his new authority as a challenge and decide to prove that she can manage without him. Their rivalry will create comic tension, but underneath the arguments, there will be unmistakable jealousy. Mute's name will return at the worst possible moment, and Dogga will demand an honest explanation about the kiss. Yaman may tease her by asking why she cares, forcing Dogga to reveal more than she intended. Just when it seems that the romantic tension will finally break, the people behind the kidnapping will make another move. They may have failed to collect the ransom, but their real target could be a document connected to Hulsi and a old inheritance dispute. The next episode may end with Dogga discovering that the attack was never only about money. Someone inside the farm may have helped the kidnappers, and the first clue could point to